What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Jeff and I do a lot of DIY projects and things like that. So today we're working on the Escalade here. I am replacing the rotor, even though it's not too bad. I just replaced the one on the other side. The other side was pretty bad, so I just decided to do both of them all at once. And we're replacing the hub assembly. I got the parts right here. My new rotor, nice and shiny. And we got the Dryworks hub assembly. I believe this one's heavy duty, so hopefully it lasts longer. Even though I'm pretty sure these ones are original and they have 160 something thousand miles on them. So yeah, we're gonna get this all replaced. So I'm hearing a little bit of noise up here in the front, so I'm thinking it's the wheel bearing, so that's why I'm replacing the front hub assembly. So let's get started. We have to take off this caliper first. All right, to take off this caliper, I'm just going to use a wrench because it's kind of hard to get in there. It's size 18 millimeter, and there's a bolt on the top right here, and then there's one on the bottom. Amazing. Okay. Alright, so I finally got these two caliper bolts loose. They were very stuck on there. Alright, I'm going to take this off now. If I can get it off. Alright, so I got the caliper off. I'm just going to set it there for now. It's pretty secure, it's not going anywhere. Now I can take this rotor off. There it is. Old rotor. See, the back's a lot worse. I kind of assumed that, but that's why I'm replacing them. Alright, so now we're gonna get this little cap off. That's where the nut is for the hub assembly. So I'm just using a real thin flathead screwdriver to try to get behind there. Now I'm just going to pry it out. There it is. Got the cap off. Alright. So now for this 2002 Escalade, you need a 1 3/8 nut socket. I need to get this pipe for some more leverage. It is really on there. Okay, let's try it now. There it is. Nice. Put this nut and washer aside. I'm going to reuse this. Okay, so now I gotta get these bolts off in the back. There's 3 of them, one here, one right there, and one on the other side. You can see it through there, right there. There's 3 of them. They're size 15. I had a pretty hard time getting them off on the other side. We'll see how it goes on this side. Alright guys, so I just got these bolts out. Something I thought that was going to take 10 minutes took me like 3 hours. This one came out easily, and so did that one. That one wasn't too easy, but this is the one over here on this side. I could not get this out. I stripped it a bunch of times. Got literally all my stuff out trying to get it out. Finally I got the welder out, welded on a 9/16 socket, and I finally got it out. It was a struggle. Okay, but now, and you don't have to worry about these bolts because they give you new ones. So I'm gonna reuse this shield, but now I need to unplug this cable that goes up to there, so all the way to here, and it clips in right there. Let's get a trim tool, see if it makes it easier. Okay, got that one out. That one out. Now you just gotta unclip the top one. Okay. We're just gonna take this old one out now, just like that. Now I'm gonna reuse this backing plate, or this dust shield. We're gonna take that off. And now's a good time to get these old bolts out. You can just lift up on this a little, get that one out, and that one out. Okay, got the new hub assembly here. Actually, we're gonna clean this up a little bit first. Just gonna slide this back in. Just like that. At least get them all in at first. Make sure they all go in. Okay. Okay. Now I got those bolts in. I can run this wire, plug it in. It's all the same places you pulled it out from, the old one. Okay, got the wire ran. So now, these back bolts, the 3 that I had a hard time getting out, they're supposed to be torqued down to 133. We can put this center nut on now. I believe this is supposed to be torqued to like 177. But I don't have, my torque wrench isn't big enough for this nut, for this socket. So I'm just going to get it close for now, to where I think is close. And then I'm just going to take it to my mechanic and have him torque it to the right spec. Throw this guy back on. Little cover. Now I'm going to throw on the new rotor. Alright, now we got to get the caliper back on. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Okay. New hub assembly gives us 2 new caliper bolts, so that's nice. I think we're done after a bunch of bullshit. So it looks like I said, I still have to have my mechanic torque it down to the right spec for me, but we'll be good enough to get there at least. I'm gonna clean some of this up. Alright guys, got the wheel back on, got my new rotor on, new wheel assembly, hub assembly, and we're looking good. So if you're watching this, hopefully this video helps you out. I definitely had a little bit of a hard time there getting those bolts out, but a little bit of persistence and I got it. Just another thing to this Escalade to make sure I won't have any problems for the winter. I like to keep up on things before they break. If you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Work season's starting to slow down, so I'm going to be uploading a lot more here pretty soon. And if you made it this far in the video, please drop a big thumbs up down below. That really helps out the channel, helps the video reach a wider audience, and I really appreciate it. So that being said, hope you guys have a great day. Peace.